Okay everybody, this is Steve with Sphere Rental. We're going to go over all the hoses for the utility side connections when you are hooked up to full hookups or you're dumping the holding tanks on this 31 MB from Coachman. So first off, we have the water. So this will be your drinking water hose, city water connection. You'll hook the pressure regulator and the water filter to the spigot, and then the quick connect just hooks up into here at the water box. You can use this same hose in this position to fill the tank or switch over to city water for water supply on the RV, just with this blue valve. So in the down position, you're in city connection, so that will give you water pressure in the RV when you're at full hookups. And then when you're in that position, like on this diagram, that will fill the onboard holding tanks. So when you're doing that, watch the gauge on the inside of the RV until that tank is full, and then come out and either turn off the water line or disconnect it. When you are connected to city water, you'll have, or the full hookups, you'll have the water connected, you'll have your dump hose connected, and you'll have your gray valve pulled out. This simply just pulls straight out, and that allows you to take longer showers, do dishes. You're not going to store your water in the holding tanks on board the RV. After 3 to 5 days worth of camping, it'll be time to dump your black tank. And so that's this black valve back here. You want to make sure the gray valve is closed when you go through the dumping procedure. And there is a 2-page section in our manual that goes through every step of the dumping procedure. But you'll have this hose connected up, and it will be this 90-degree fitting at the end will thread into the pipe in the ground, and then you'll dump the black tank. After you dump the black tank, you'll use this black hose connected to this port here to flush out the black tank on the RV. There's a big procedure with it. It takes 30 to 45 minutes to properly dump and clean the holding tanks on this RV. Okay, so for the power cord, you'll use the surge protector first. That gets plugged into the pedestal, and then plug the power cord into it, and then it just simply plugs into the side of the RV. This is just a locking nut, and so the cord simply goes in and then turns a little bit to lock, and then tighten the nut down. You don't have to make sure that's really tight, just enough to kind of keep it there so nobody trips over it and pops it out. So that's the utility hookups on the 31 MB from Coachman. Thanks.